Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox game. First, you'll want to download and install Roblox Studio, which is completely free and available on the official Roblox website. Once installed, take some time to explore the interface. Pay close attention to the Explorer window, which lists all objects in your game, and the Properties window, where you can customize their attributes. Starting with a simple template can help you grasp the core concepts of game creation quickly and efficiently. Next, let's dive into building and scripting. Roblox Studio provides intuitive tools for creating your game environment. Use the Part tool to generate various shapes, then manipulate them with the Move, Scale, and Rotate tools to construct your world. To bring your game to life, you'll need to learn some basic Lua scripting. Even simple scripts, like changing a part's color when touched or making an object disappear, can add significant interactivity and fun to your experience. Now, let's focus on game mechanics and user interface design. Think about what makes your game engaging. Will players collect items, solve puzzles, or compete against each other? Implement these core mechanics using scripts. For player interaction, design a clear and intuitive UI with screen GUIs. You can display health bars, scores, or even interactive buttons. Don't forget to explore the Roblox marketplace for thousands of free models and assets to enrich your game's visual appeal. Finally, it's time for testing, publishing, and iteration. Before sharing your creation, rigorously test your game within Roblox Studio to catch any bugs or unexpected behaviors. Once you're confident, publish your game to the Roblox platform, making it available to a global audience of millions. Remember, game development is an ongoing process. Actively seek feedback from your players and use their insights to continuously update and refine your game, ensuring it remains fun and engaging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.